Okay, hopefully a short one for you guys today. So my fuel lines are leaking right around here, and I can move the lines through because they're not the right size. So we're going to replace them with the right size. And yeah, let's get going. Alright, first one, this is the one that comes off. This is it just bleeds back into the tank. This is the one that actually draws fuel up through the fuel filter. So I'm going to push that through. And then if you buy a fuel line replacement kit, they come with this tool. It's usually a little longer. I've had to cut this for other purposes. Yeah. Bend the end open. So it's more of a little hook. And I'll use that to snake and actually pull out this fuel filter where I can get to it. I'm just going to snake the other side of the line back into the tank so I can just pull it all the way through. So, filter looks good. Now this is cut at an angle so it's easier to pull up through the hole. Kind of bend this back a little bit. A little bit more because it's got to go down through the hole in the fuel tank so you can snake and pull your line through. So now that you've got that just through the hole, straighten this out. See if I can pinch it closed just a little bit more. Put that up there. And on this side, should be able to see starting to come through. Just kind of wiggle a little bit. Grab it with your pliers. And there it'll go through. You want your fuel filter to kind of be at the lowest point of the tank, and then I usually give it just a little bit more because that way it can float around in there. And this one went to the bottom, so we can cut it there. Put that on there, nice and tight. And we just need one that goes back into the tank. So I'm just going to measure about the same. Maybe a little more, just because it's got to also get down there. It doesn't have to go as far down though, so that's probably good enough. So now that we've got our line, just kind of clip this one at an angle. This one can get fed down, and then it connects up here. And we're good. Alright, so I used a pair of pliers to push that on a little bit more. That one's tight. So now we just need to make sure that fuel is going through both sides. And these are both snug, so there's no more leak. And I can go ahead and just feed the extra slack back down into the tank.